Hey, and this is Jan Hermstad at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. 1954 Corvette Convertible. It is for sale. First one I've seen in as long as I've been here, and that's a while. This is a inline 6 engine, powerglide automatic transmission with the famous blue flame motor, only used in 53 and 54. Look at the seats, look at the paint, look at everything about this car. I can't find any flaw. The motor is not a matching number. Look at the chrome, great looking. Headlight, covers, paint, flawless in every respect. Here's the one side of the blue flame motor, and hopefully I got one there. We go the other side. And I hope you will find it necessary to call me personally so that I can talk more to you about this car. My name is Jan Hermstad at buyavette.net. And I can be reached. You can use my cell phone, 404-993-5964. And we're in Atlanta, Georgia. Our showroom and outside and back showroom features at least 130, 40, 150 Corvettes. We're the largest reseller of used Corvettes, so look me up. I'm eager to talk to someone about this special car. Beautiful interior, clean as pin. And while we're at it, take a look at our showroom. A few cars for you to just treasure, but the 54 is unique. I have never driven one, and I will not drive this one because I think it's too nice for me to be driving. So have a great day and hope to hear from you.